Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to One to Step YouTube channel where we post tutorial video like this. So if you guys also want to get notified for tutorial videos like this in the future, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification turned on to our channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log your Discord account from every device. So it's pretty simple, so follow these steps. First, you want to go to your user setting over here, which is the setting icon right beside your name at the bottom. You want to click on it. Once you're in your user setting, basically what you want to do is click on where it says my account. Once you're in your my account, what you want to do is scroll down until you see change password. So basically what we are going to be doing is we're going to be changing your Discord password, and what this is going to do is after changing your Discord password, all the device in which your Discord is being logged in is going to be logged out, because to access your Discord again, the device needs to type the new password to verify if it is you or not. So that's basically how we are going to log out from every device which your Discord is logged in, okay? Because there is no other button which Discord has provided us that we can just click on and log out from every device, all right? So this is the only working method through which you can log out from every device, all right? So basically now change your password over here. So let me do that. So I have changed my Discord password. Now basically I'm only logged into this device over here on my Discord, all right? So this is the only device my Discord is currently logged in right now. All the other device in which my Discord was previously logged in has been logged out. Now if I want to log in over there again, I need to type my new password, then only I can log in. Now basically if I just scroll down and click on logout and log out Discord from this device as well, then my Discord has been logged out from every single device. So that's basically how you guys can do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos like this, and you guys can comment down below what type of tutorial video we should make next. And if you guys have any question with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day everybody. Bye bye.